This dude's definitely gonna get fucked up. You better stay the fuck away from me with that. Yo, what did you do to it? What the hell?
What did I do? I just...
Hold on.
All I hit was the on switch, dude.
Throttle up. God damn it, dude. You almost fucking took me out, bro. Jesus fucking
Got
Christ.
this.
Alright. Just throttle up. Just throttle it up.
You get it?
You almost took out my face, dude. Oh my god. Full power. Wrap through it. Oh! Here, take it back behind there.
He's probably gonna shoot us.
Yes.
Ready? Cool.
I'm ready. Oh no! Oh, here. Full throttle. Here. We're getting yelled at by the locals.
You gotta go repair it.
Alright.
It's got a little bit of damage. Oh, that's actually broke.
We don't need it anyway.